Say it again.
Lanetta.
Lanetta. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Chairwoman Jeanette Taylor. My name is Lanetta Thomas. Thank you for your continued leadership and making space for us to be heard today. Alderman Taylor, I want to begin with a personal apology to you. I was deeply disappointed by how you were disrespected during the November cycle, especially by CTU President Stacey Davis Gates. That moment was a turning point for me. While I still love and uplift our teachers, especially our Black teachers who've nurtured generations of students, I had to separate myself from CTU leadership during my campaign. Respect must be mutual and accountability must be real. It's also heartbreaking that CTU leadership failed Ms. Vicki Willis, one of their own, after her son, Alteric Pleasant, was murdered by Chicago police. That murder was covered up by Cook County Jail and Mount Sinai Hospital, and yet CTU remained silent. We can't claim to be a justice-driven organization and ignore the cries of our members when it matters most. I'm here today to speak truth about Chicago State University. As a student, I was harassed repeatedly by Dr. Dean Antoine Cameron after I filed a Title IX complaint and obtained a no contact order against him. Instead of being held accountable, he weaponized the system against me, filing a retaliatory and false stalking order to silence me. The court never reviewed key evidence, including video that contradicted his claims. That order, unjust as it is, has cost me dearly. It revoked my global entry status, which I worked hard to earn as an Army veteran preparing for a diplomatic career. It bars me from the very campus where I was finishing my degree. It has damaged my reputation, disrupted my housing, and triggered medical trauma. I even had a seizure due to the stress the school caused, and they tried to pretend it never happened. Yet, while I have been blocked from graduation, Dean Cameron is now quietly moving on to another university, completely protected by the institution that enabled his abuse. Chicago State University not only failed to act, they covered for him, collaborated with campus police to remove me from student leadership roles, and violated my civil and disability rights in the process. I now have a federal lawsuit pending against Chicago State University Board of Trustees, its police department, Dean Antoine Cameron, and others involved in this cover-up. This lawsuit includes claims under the Americans with Disability Act, the Rehabilitation Act, for violations to my constitutional rights. There can be no real talk about post-secondary education reform without addressing what's happening at institutions like Chicago State University. Corruption, retaliation, and silence are destroying students' future, especially Black women like me who dare to speak up. This isn't just my story, it's a warning. And I'm asking for this committee to investigate and intervene. Thank you.
Thank you for your comments.